Hey everybody, I'm Jordan.
I'm Shane from pdq.com.
We're here to talk about the new features in Deploy 17 that are not the agent.
The new non-agent features. Obviously, the biggest feature, obviously, is the fact that PDQ Deploy 17, if you use the optional agent in inventory, it can now work with that.
Yep.
What are the non-agent ones? Let's do it.
Well, my personal favorite one is the scan step. It's where if you are running certain things,
running certain things. If you're running certain steps, there's now a step for initiating an inventory scan, and the step will not return or will not move forward to the next step until that scan returns.
Yep, so you're going to convert the stamp. So if you're coming in here and after you finish installing Firefox, if you wanted to have it scan and make sure that things are there before continuing on, you could just add the scan step. I found it.
You found it.
Choose the...
well done.
Choose the scan profile I want, and then just in there, it makes it so instead of just scan at the end, you can scan in the middle, and it makes it a bit more versatile.
Yes. Now, if you still have the scan after setting, which we recommend that you do for almost all your deployments, especially if you're installing applications, that will still kick off. This just gives you the ability to scan in the middle or at any other point during package execution. Okay, so that's one of your favorites?
That one, I really like that one. So the rest of them are just kind of, they're more fixes or nice adds, I guess, informational. One's the, if you nest a package into a nested package, it will now honor the property settings for the package that's nested instead of initially overriding with the nest step.
So that means if you have different property settings for Firefox and then for Thunderbird, and you nest those together, it will use the property settings. Go to properties on one of those so they can know what we're talking about. It will use the property settings for each of these steps as well as the package, right?
Yes.
All right. In the package, click on properties. Remember that the settings that you have at the properties will apply to the rest of the package. There are certain things in those steps, subsequent steps, that can overwrite this, but this is a way for you to be able to set the expectations for each package.
Yep. Yeah, the third thing is the copy mode. No matter what your settings, if you have it set to push or pull for when you're copying the files over, if you are using the agent, the external agent, it will set it to pull.
Yeah. So agent for deploy. When deploy is using the agent, how's that? Yep. It's going to be pull, because the only thing that you can actually deploy to an external agent is a package from the package library. It will necessarily pull that package down from our website. So there you go. I mean, that's if you want to see if you want to see the other items on what's new, always go to the help user guide. Go to the update notes, and you'll be able to see. You can see we're still in beta as of this recording. You'll be able to see all the new features and bug fixes, etc., that are included in each release. Scroll on down, you'll be able to see the entire history. Yep. All right. Is that anything else you want to cover?
I mean, everything else is just like it now lets you know if your caps lock is on. We'll just throw that one in quick.
When you're entering a password.
That's right.
It's not going to just be blurring it out when you're doing anything else. It's when you're in a password field, like your shirt. Rock on, everybody. I'm Shane.
I'm Jordan.